Hello friends, today I will show how to make a Josephine knot. I usually use this pattern for making pot hangers, but you can use them to make any other project too. Some people also call this as the infinity knot. Take two long strings and tie a lark's knot. Observe how I work with the strings to make the Josephine knot. Take first set of two strings and make a loop. Take the second set of string and pass it through this loop. And then from here, and then the next loop on the left. Now slowly pull the strings from two sides. Pull it slowly and neatly. Adjust the strings and a Josephine knot is ready. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a Pipa knot. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby? Watch the next video, Macramé Pipa Knot.